Welcome to one and all. We started with the chapter Introduction to Intel x86 family from CS to 12th standard. Okay, this chapter is for 7 to 8 marks, we already know, and for this 7 to 8 marks we have to hardly cover 5 to 6 topics, and we completed those topics in last 3 sessions. Now in this session I'll give you the important questions for board exam of frequently asked questions. Okay, so let's see. 3 marks questions, especially from this chapter you are getting 4 marks only. Sometimes it is for 3 marks. Okay, so for 3 marks you are having state any 3 features of Pentium processor. Okay, in this you have to explain like dual pipeline, branch prediction, 64-bit data bus. ऐसे सारे फीचर्स आपको यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन करने हैं. Next is draw a neat label diagram of flag register of x86 family. Okay, तो जब भी अगर आप x86 family का flag अब draw कर रहे हो, you can draw flag of 8086 also. Okay, आप 8086 का भी flag draw कर सकते हो because in RD Supeka we are having that flag only. Okay, and you have to write down the full form of each flag. Okay, next, list any 3 advanced feature of Intel x86 family. Here also you will get the same thing we did in Pentium processor. Okay, like dual pipelining, on chip cache, branch prediction, you have to explain here. ठीक है, तो Intel x86 हुआ या Pentium processor हुआ, अगर advanced feature है और main feature है, so you have to explain these features only. Next, compare attributes of 8085 and 8086 microprocessor. Okay, here you have to compare these attributes. That is, what is the difference between 8085 microprocessor and 8086? Okay, which I already gave you in the first lecture of this chapter. Now the next one, 4 marks questions. Especially you are having 4 marks questions and repeated format we are getting, like draw programming models of x86 for 16-bit and 32-bit. Okay, x86 जब भी बोला है आपको, it belongs to 16-bit also and 32-bit also. Clear? So 16-bit and 32-bit दोनों का प्रोग्रामिंग मॉडल्स आपको ड्रॉ करना है. Just you have to draw. Okay, no need to explain any single line. So this will give you 4 marks, 2 marks for each of these processor. Clear? And this I already completed in the second lecture. Next, draw and explain programming model of 32-bit version of x86 family. Here it is specified that is 32-bit version, and you have to draw and explain. For drawing you are having 2 marks, and for explanation you are having next 2 marks. This will give you total 4 marks. Okay. Next, explain advantages of the following features of Pentium processor. So what are the advantage? Dual pipelining, on chip cache, branch prediction and 64-bit data bus. तो ये आपको points दिए हैं एग्जाम में. Just you have to explain for these points. Okay. That is what are the features of Pentium processor based on these points. Next, compare any 4 attributes of 80386 and Pentium processor. This we completed in our third lecture. Okay. Next, compare any 4 attributes of 80486 DX and Pentium processor. This is also we completed in our third lecture. Write a short note on Pentium. Here you have to give the simple feature plus advanced feature of Pentium. Okay, it came like this only in exam, so you have to write simple feature plus advanced feature. Okay, with its byte and address bus, data bus, each and everything you have to mention here. Next one, compare any 4 attributes of 80386 and 80486 microprocessor. In this chapter you have to do processor 8086, 80186, 286, 386, 486 and 586. Okay, just you have to go through the simple features like address bus, data bus, generation, year. Okay, programmable means physical memory. These many things you have to just keep in mind. Clear? Now the next one, compare any four attributes of 80286 and 80486. Okay, so मैंने लास्ट 3 लेक्चर्स में 80286 के फीचर्स आप लोग को एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया है, इसलिए आई एम गिविंग दिस हियर. ओके, सो 80286, let's start comparing. 80286 data bus is 16 bit, that is it is third generation processor, you can see here. Okay, it is 32 bit, so it is fourth generation processor. Address bus is 24 bit, and here in 80486 address bus is 32 bit. Operating speed is 6 to 20 megahertz, and here operating speed is 25 to 50 megahertz. Okay, physical memory address is 16 megabyte. ओके, यहाँ पे जो फिजिकल मेमोरी ये हमें कैसे मिला? आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट 2 एड्रेस बस का जितना भी बीट होगा, दैट इज 2 to 24 विल गिव यू 16 मेगाबाइट, 16 MB. ओके, हियर फिजिकल मेमोरी एड्रेस इज 4 gigabyte, दैट इज 2 to 32 will give you 4 gigabyte. It is introduced in 1982. That is 80286 is introduced in 1982. 80486 is introduced in 1989. Okay, that's why it is third generation processor and it is fourth generation processor according to this beat or data bus. Clear? So only this type of questions you are getting in exam, and please specially you have to complete the question for Pentium special features also and the comparable attributes also. ठीक है, दोनों को आपको ये completely पढ़ना है, and rest of the processors like 80286, 386, 486 ये सारे features आपको address bus, data bus, speed, physical memory and generations ये सब आपको features में पढ़ना है. ठीक है, and program model of specific processor. Okay, that is x86 family for 16 bit or 32 bit, ये दोनों है, and flag for x86. Selected, we are having only 4 to 5 questions from this chapter, so please prepare to score 7 to 8 marks from this chapter. Okay, it's easy to get 7 to 8 marks from 4 to 5 topics. Okay, thank you class.